Hi everyone, my name is Jade Copeland and I'll be modeling the skill from Chapter 38, Read, Pair, Share. First, you'll start by introducing the question words to your students, which are where, what, when, who, and how. Then you'll have them read a certain section or paragraph from the text or book and then have them reflect on these questions for a better understanding of what they read. So I will go ahead and give you an example or model it out for you just to give the kids a better understanding. So I will act as if I'm his partner. So you'll start by reading. And I just want you to read the first paragraph of this page.
"Where's Papa going with that axe?" said Fern to her mother as they were setting the table for breakfast. "Out to the hog house," replied Mr. Arable. "Some pigs were born last night." "I don't see why he needs an axe," continued Fern, who was only 8. "Well," said her mother, "one of the pigs is a runt. It's very small and weak, and it will never amount to anything. So your father has decided to do away with it."
Okay, so typically each student will have their own book to read from, and usually they'll read quietly, but I wanted you all to hear what the passage was. So I would then, as the teacher, go back and ask, okay, Quinn, so who was mentioned in this paragraph?
Papa, Fern, and her mother.
And her mother. So those are 3 people who have already been introduced in just our first paragraph. Now, what is currently happening so far?
Fern is wondering why her father is walking outside with an axe, and her mother explains to her why.
Okay, and when do you believe this is taking place? Because we haven't had that many detailed words telling us when, but when do you think this is happening?
Breakfast.
Breakfast, so would that be, what time of day would that be?
8 o'clock? 8 a.m.?
So in the
7
morning?
In the morning.
Okay, and where do you believe this paragraph takes place?
In the kitchen.
In the kitchen of their home?
Yes.
Okay, and how do you think this news makes Fern feel?
I think it makes her feel sad.
It makes her feel sad. Why?
Because she feels like her dad is going out to do something bad to one of the pigs.
Okay, so, and you can scoot over, you're done. So with these questions, you can also let kids know that not every question is going to pertain to each paragraph, so we can also reword the questions. So my base question actually for the word how was, how does the action take place? But because we don't actually have an action taking place just yet, I asked the question, how does this make Fern feel? So we can always let the kids know that we can rearrange our questions as long as we are keeping that question word, the who, what, when, where, or how in the sentence. And then the share part of the strategy would be for you to bring the class back together, and then we would all share our answers for the certain part of the passage that we read for the who, what, when, where, and how, and share those as a class. Thank you.